The way RocketMill has evolved in the time I've been here is incredible. Almost impossible to imagine how quickly we have grown. I think the way we've structured our management team to have it so open, that's fundamental, again, to how much we've achieved.
The fact that we know the commercials, we know how well the business as a whole is performing, as well as how us specifically as teams are performing, allows us to kind of know where we stand within the business and also where the business stands in the industry as a whole.
In a lot of companies, investing in training can mean that you once a year get to go and sit in a conference room and be bored rigid learning about buzzwords, whereas here it's constant, it's every day, you're learning from everyone around you.
From a career perspective, I'm exactly where I want to be. I feel like I'm now in service of other people who are trying to realise what they want to do within their career.
They build progression paths to suit you. If they think that your skill sets will work for it, they'll create a role that will fit for you.
Kind of encouraged me to just, I suppose, do what I enjoyed, which was just making money for my clients, for RocketMill, for everyone. My salary has probably tripled, if not quadrupled, in the time that I've been here.
I think everybody has their own kind of specialisms. We're all trying to do the same thing, but we all kind of tackle it in slightly different ways.
Everyone is so talented. Like, I'm not just saying that, they're like the smartest bunch I know.
I love the team more than anything. They're like my best friends, whether like inside work or outside of work, which is it's nice to say.
We've done so well up until now, but we've only kind of reached the tip of the iceberg. I think we can go on to even bigger, better things in the future.
We all know what goal we're working towards, and I think like that's incentivised by the success that we all share. Best thing I've ever done, and I love it. It's like my family.